Hi guys, this is Bella with HoM Consulting. I'm going to show you the new Instagram Reels. It rolled out last week and I love it. I'm so excited to show you about Instagram Reels, how it can help your page, how it can help your business. It's very, very easy to use. And yes, it's basically TikTok. So Instagram rolled out Reels last week, and they're competing with TikToks. There's lots of rumors that TikTok was going to be banned in the United States, and Instagram put together a plan real quick and put out their own technology so that you can basically make little 15 to 60 second videos that are really cool, really easy to edit on your Instagram page. It's really fun, again, easy to use, and very, very beneficial. And I will tell you why. So here's my page, Instagram Reels. So you can see my feed here, and it's going to be this grid button here. I click this middle button. It brings me my Reels, okay, my specific Reels for my page. And then this button here is all the posts that I was tagged in. Okay, so that's how your profile will look once you upload a Reels video. Now, to look at other people's Reels and kind of explore, you're going to hit this search button down here, and it shows you all the stuff that, stuff you've engaged in. It's very specific to your page. And at the top, you'll see Reels, and then just regular feed stuff you can scroll through. At the top here, you can, change different things. You can go to IGTV. But if you click Reels, you can kind of swipe through and you can see all these different Reels. These aren't even people that I follow. Okay, so that is key. I don't follow probably like one of the people I follow will pop up on this Explore page. But I can just keep swiping and look at all these different 60-second clips that people have made. Now, and again, it's basically like TikTok. Like you can see someone uploaded their TikTok just to Reels. You can see this little TikTok icon at the bottom. So they are vertical videos, just like IGTV, but they can't extend 60 seconds. So that would be something you would then put on IGTV, which then can be put on a post and, same thing. So if I go back to home, to get to my Reels, and if I want to record, I'm going to hit this camera in the top left corner, which brings me to where my Instagram stories are. So this is kind of how it's going to look now. I'm just at my desk. So this is a story. I can do a live video also on Instagram. Here are my stories. Here are the different options I have here on the side to create a story, whatever I want it to be. Now, we do share stories for businesses a lot. And this happened I would say 2 years ago, stories came out, and I swear by Instagram stories. Again, they're short little video clips. You can do pictures. You can do just hey guys, how you doing? You can do different questionnaires, polls with Instagram stories. I love it. Love it for business. You can do cool little filters. Stories are basically like Instagram's own Snapchat. Now that we have Reels, so this is like Instagram's TikTok. So you can create a little video. You can add lots of music to it. You can slow it down, speed it up. You can add filters and effects. Now the filters, you do have to save them. It's kind of weird, so you kind of just have to explore Instagram and save your own filters. Oops, I don't know what that was. So I click here in effects. Oh, I keep trying to swipe. Click here in effects. Click here in effects. Keep going back and delete all these random. I don't know what that was. I just took videos of. It's very touchy. I don't know what that is. Weird. Okay, so I'm back in Reels. So to record your video, you are just going to hit this button here, and I'm recording. I'm doing this, and I can stop. All I do is let go. Now notice at the very top left corner, it has a pink bar, so that's how much I recorded. The rest of the space is how much I can still record. So I can stop, record some more. What else do we want to record? Let's record my cat. I do lots of Reels of Neffy. She likes to just hang out by the window, so I'm going to do little cute videos of her. So yeah, I'll do little clips, just showing an example. I'm not going to actually post this. So boom, I recorded as much as I wanted. And I'm going to hit this. If you hit this left arrow here, you can scroll through your videos and you can just delete them if you want, but notice it's just that little clip. Or I can say, all right, my video looks good. Let me add some music. So let's do, I love this song. You know, this, you can choose what you want. So boom. So I'm going to add that that song to it. And then I'm going to hit this arrow. Like I'm done.
On a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling.
So again, this isn't great
on
content,
a summer evening,
but this is just an example.
And it sounds just like a song.
I can type something. So
I want more berries and that summer feeling.
What I do at work. Fun stuff.
On a summer.
This arrow, I'm ready to post it. So so I can choose my cover, what I want of it. So I'm going to do Neffy as the cover. You can write your own caption, use hashtags, everything, because it's going to go right here. Now, this is my favorite part about stories. Reels. The good thing about Reels is that it's going to have a lot more opportunity for people to see your video, which then in return will get them to your page to check out more, which will then in return possibly get them to your website, to call your business, etc. So it's going to share it automatically to Reels, which was that, again, it's going to show up on your page as its own Reels section of the Reels that you did. And it's also going to put it in the feed of everyone's Reels that are on here. And again, it doesn't have to be someone you follow. It doesn't have to be a friend of yours. Now, I believe if a page is private, their Reels probably are not going to show up in that Reels section. It has to be like a public page. I don't think it has to be a business page, but I'm sure the business pages, the public pages are going to get seen more. You can also click this. So if you wanted to share it to your Instagram feed, so it's going to go again right in your feed as a little video clip too. Now it is going to be just a square, but Instagram fixes it for you and puts it in its own square, and it's not going to be long. Then you can also click and share it to your story. Also, so you would just hit that share right there to your story. So that right there is 3 different places that it's going to get to. So that's 3 different audiences that might see your Reels video. And then, obviously, you have your Instagram hooked up to your Facebook page. So the way that it shares on a post, it's also going to share on your Facebook page. And if you have it set up where your Instagram stories share to your Facebook stories, that's 5 different places that someone is going to see the Reels video. Now, stories don't work like that. You can have a story and you could save it to your phone and create its own post, but it's not going to automatically. I love that it does all these options for you right when you're about to share it. Also share to your feed. And that's something that TikTok does not have. TikTok is just basically the Reels platform, and all you can do is videos. There's no, they do have a feed, so it shares it in a feed type platform too, but just doesn't have all these different things. You can't hook it up to your Instagram. You can't hook it up to your Facebook. So I really like the way that it's all integrated together. So that's Reels.
And it sounds just like a song.
You can even write on it.
I want more berries and that summer.
Not an exciting content video, but there's lots of different
on
ideas.
A summer
Just discard this. There's lots of different ideas that you can do with Reels, and definitely what I would do if you're interested in creating a video for your business, go to your Reels and check out other people, what they're doing. If you don't have TikTok, check out TikTok and what other businesses are doing on TikTok. TikTok is more for influencers and fun stuff. But I do see a lot of businesses on it, a lot of different businesses that sell products, a lot of service businesses too. A lot of medical professionals do little cute little tips Reels, and they just put fun music to it, like something like this, how to wear laundry.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in Doku, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed.
And you can take any idea ideas, like if from blog posts, like if you did a blog post that was, you know, tips on, you know, how to, you know, do different eating tips this summer, stuff like that. I see a lot of that on TikTok, and I'm sure I'll see it on Reels soon. I love it. I love following different recipes and stuff on TikTok, and I'm like, oh, that's so cool. It's like a 60-second little video. You just do it real quick. They're like, watch me make, you know, this.
I can put it
like,
on my
oh
face.
God, that's great.
This cute diffy.
So it can really be
How to propagate a
anything.
rubber? I can't eat
that.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? Bitch, what's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, I'm a savage.
You can create a Reels video with video you already have. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, if you go here to your Reels and you click this left box, you can put your videos that you already have in here. So like I did this one on TikTok. We painted the bus.
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side.
Okay, so I can literally just upload that already, and it's boom. It's on my Reels, which I probably will definitely post all these that I already have.
Make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look up, down to the side.
Page 2. So you can do that also. So if you're like, I don't want to just like record a new video, you can take a bunch of video you already have and chop it all up and edit it yourself in Reels. Very, very easy. So fun. I recommend you playing around with it, getting used to it. If you want to send some video over, we can play around and create fun little things, tips and tricks. So yeah, hope you guys liked it.